If your Google Maps timeline is looking like this and isn't working despite you moving location, then it is broken, and I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. So what you need to do is head over first to Google Maps. Once you're on Google Maps, go to the profile icon in the top right hand corner, then go to your timeline. Now here you will see your timeline locations if it is turned on. If it is broken or you're having issues, you want to click on review settings. That will then show you these 3 settings which need to be checked for timeline to work. So first you need to turn timeline on, your device location needs to be on, and your location for maps needs to be set to always. So I'm going to show you right now how to do it. So if you click on any of these blue links, they are a bit fiddly, but they do actually go to the right place. So I've clicked on the top one on off. Now I have to keep fiddling with it to try and get the button exact. But once you actually click on the link, it will take you to the relevant control, and here it is timeline. We can go ahead and turn that on. Turn on. And then you'll see once you go back to maps, this will actually be checked, and all you need to do now is check the remaining. So for me, I need to check location access for maps. So we can click while using the app on this button, and then we can change the location here to always. And now if we click off this and go back, you can see it now will be working, and now it will update our location. So that is how you do it.